Taking a look at the 1971 convertible I bought from Georgia. Got it running the other day, runs pretty good. Numbers matching car, nothing special. All stock pretty much under the hood. Have the shielding off of it. Stock exhaust. This is the repair I made in the left front. It's not finished, but kind of screwed back together. I changed the header bar. Got some tech screws holding the header bar in. It's already been glued. Body's decent. A couple little things need some attention. Got the rear bumpers off. I'm going to make some repairs to the taillight panel. Pretty much just like I got it, just cleaned up a little bit. Runs pretty good. This is what it looks like with the hood closed. Fit's not bad. And that's what we got.